talk, you know what? I just think them from my mother roof me afraid pan. It a worry me, I lose weight. Then me afraid pan my mother think them a mudfish mother house aboard. The whole of that now go swell up on the woman that hope she don't suffocate in there. Cause them say when water catch board, then I catch moms. And they didn't have to stop them birth. They don't have to stop their birth, my love. Shantae look like she can't name crutches good. She's supposed to belch egg. I mean, I thought the one from the pole, but I thought the one we should come out. She's supposed to belch egg. She's supposed to can name crutches well. Your daughter and train your son. If I be like you, I start pissing out my son mouth. And that if I do Rosealee, open your little boy mouth and say if your piss can heal him gum. Cause remember him full of rotten teeth, not tooth. Teeth. Yeah? You tell the boy about him mother want to eat out, you hold your outer order. And you put them ever lock. When time your crutches get for breeze. Eh? Remember you still have birth order under you, because your legs don't get no chance to open. You still have the birth order underneath your Rosealee. If you don't mind shop baby dirt there by your clit. Cause you now wash, you have to soak before you scrub. Soak before you scrub. Don't do that. Now jump the gun. Yeah. Now Annie, what you gonna do about your daughter and the beating? Because you can't lock up the school now ministry. Remember me not bright. Nobody lock up education yet. Eh? More you go let a report them lock up you. And this here come. Shebada my crutches clean. Go clean the beat now for your daughter now. Cause me don't know how you can mistake your old for clean. Me don't know someone a little bit and lie openly. Yeah, Shebada see them a crutches. You vex with me because vex with you for one the cocky soft. The cocky soft. The cocky bend up and go in your big hole and you're not tight. I two dead crutches that did I grind, you know. So you see all the dead need that theater you bring. And when she had that school, you know much fingerprint go down in a fair pum pum because the mother are old so they want chance the offspring. Every time when I say don't get the kids involved and not realize what the parents them are doing. Eh? Nobody never have trouble any daughter, you know. Any trouble our own daughters. You know, say no man no respect your big daughter. No man. All when the man favor handicap. All when the man favor sardine with the sun catch. Eh? Nobody no respect you know, because you no set this in a picnic life. Move on a suck out self for mother. Eh? Go and go suck on a mama. Go suck on a mother the water on go suck out on a big old mother. From triple go right, up, down, sideways. I don't know which part on the deck, I don't know if on the pyramid. When everybody want to run community and country, Roger want to run off the liquor section and he had this so. Yeah, he walk away right here so. I carry him back in. Oh, I saw me ear. I saw me ear. I hear me ear. I'm in a care. Eh? You remember me from the CSO? That's at the post office. That means say you never like me, so you call to me. Once you used to work down there, you never like me. Remember me never have much friend down there but T-shirt Campbell. So when you say me used to work at the post office, that means say you're one of my enemy. Yeah, so when you come here start talk about go on like you remember me. Like me I used to sell in a canteen and name the boss.